We good to go? Should I lead? Good. Probably pretty good. Whoa, mama, I'm in fear for my life from the long arm of the law. Hangman is coming from the gallows and I don't have very long. The jig is up, the news is out, they finally found me. You renegade, you had me. This'll be the end of the day, I'm a wanted man. I think that's the steepest bridge in Angel Fire. Got it that time. Okay, you ready for this? I have no idea what the A-line is going to be like for this. Guess we'll see. And then somewhere the new trail is going to happen.
Yeah. Yeah, you say it's where for show?
It's that split. It's the old one, yeah. I mean, it's just a reworked one, I think. So I guess we'll see. All right, ready?
Yeah.
What? Oh yeah, this is it. Waiting for Mike. Oh shit, you did the A-line too?
Yeah.
What the heck's going on?
No,
dude, awesome.
I didn't do the A-line on the after the road though. I did the outside.
Wait, after the road? Oh yeah, that's fine. That's a hard part. And there was a stick right there. You would have freaked out.
Yeah.
I saw that road. Dude, this looks good. This is gonna be hard. But it's fresh. All right, shall we?
This does look good.
It looks fresh. Oh. Woo. Oh God, that means we're in the steep part now. Oh, they changed the steep part. Okay. They made it easier. That's fine. The other one was almost impassable. Nigh unpassable. Oh crap! Oh crap! Whew. Yeah. Got a high price on my head, and I'm sure he'll see me dead. The jig is up, the news found me. You had me, found me. This'll be the end of the day. I'm a wanted man, wanted man. Mike's all right. Okay, now I know where I'm at. This dirt section.
That was really cool.
Dude, that was awesome.
Once you're in it, like the grip is awesome.
Yeah, it was great, huh?